Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your PayPal account to ASOS. So once you're in the ASOS app, you want to go ahead and click the three lines in the upper left, then click My Account. Under My Account, scroll down to Payment Methods and you will see PayPal. You click on that and you just need to enter your PayPal details. So here you can see it says PayPal. You want to top here, it says PayPal, set PayPal as my default. You can choose that. And to add your PayPal details, you see where it mentioned that you will need to enter your login details when you place your order. So at this position, you're not able to add your PayPal details. You will only be able to add that at checkout, right? But if you want to add a card details as a separate payment method, you can do it at the bottom. As you can see, it says add payment method. You can tap on that and enter the card details. So the card details you can add right away, but for PayPal you can only do it at the end, or at the end when you're making a purchase. So that's where you can add your PayPal details. But that's it, guys.